Hi boys and girls, how are you all? Did you enjoy making your St. Patrick's Day t-shirt? I hope you did. I saw some photographs, some of you sent them in and they looked amazing. So well done, you did a fantastic job on those. They were easy, weren't they? Okay, so this week we're going to do giant butterflies and giant dragons. So this is the butterfly video and the dragon video will be on the next one. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to make the butterfly first, and it's really easy, okay? So I've done all the hard bits for you. I've cut out the shape, and I'll show you my one first. So this is my one. What do you think of that? Isn't that cool? And look what's on the front of it. Because it's Mother's Day on Sunday, so we have to keep this bit quiet. Can you see what's on the front? I love you, Mum. Mums are great, aren't they? So we need to give them lots of love this Sunday. So we can make our little butterfly especially for our mum, and she can hang it on the wall because there'll be a little ribbon on the back. So I'm going to show you how to make it. And the same way we did with the t-shirts, all the materials will be in the little kit, and you just have to assemble it and colour it in and put it together. So the first thing we're going to do is we'll have our wings. And as you see, I've done a little pattern on the wings. But you might decide, I don't particularly like Arty Marty's pattern, I want to do my own. So if that's the case, just turn it around and do your own design on the back there, okay? And then that'll become the front, right? So if you do like my design, you colour it in. And I'm not going to bore you by doing all that because it'll take ages to do that. So you can colour it in. I will have given you some crayons to colour in. If you don't want to use the crayons, you can use whatever you want, your own colours. Or what I used on mine, I used the watercolour paints on my one. And it kind of makes it easier to colour in all the big areas. Okay, you can get those in deals. I think they're really cheap, $1.50. Really cheap. Okay, so once you've coloured it all in, and if you've coloured in with watercolour paints, you have to leave it to dry for about an hour, because your stickies won't stick, all right? So what we do is when we've coloured it in and it's all nice and dry, we have stickies in the middle, so we're going to peel those off, and we know how to use our double-sided stickies by now. If not, what you do is you place your sticky down on one side and then you peel the paper off because it's sticky on both sides. So you're going to have this little box. See, I have loads of them behind me, so we're going to use these. And by the way, guys, I know some of you know this, but some of you who are new might not. I use all recycled materials. Now, they're all new and they're all clean, and there's no need to worry about having dirty things because they all come from factories, okay? So everything is new, but it comes from companies who maybe have done things in the wrong size or the wrong colour, or they've closed down, or they just have too much stock, okay? And then I get these materials from a place called Recreate in Dublin, and they let me use them for your art projects. So anyway, this is my box I'm going to put in the middle, and I'm just going to place it, try and place it as central as I can. Press it down, so then it's stuck onto my wings like that. Then I get my body, okay, this is my body. Again, there's stickers on the back. So I've already stuck them down, so I just peel off the paper, just to kind of, so you're not bored looking at me sticking stickers down. And I'm going to place that on the box, trying to cover up the box so you don't really see the box. So you don't really see the box like that, okay? Now, face. I don't know if butterflies have teeth, but in my imagination they do. And if they do in my imagination, then I'm going to give my butterfly teeth. So I'm going to peel off my sticky, and I'm going to stick my teeth, big smile on there. And the same with, same with my eyes. Got a sticky on the back. Peel that off and stick that on there. So now my face is done. Happy butterfly. Then I'm going to get my antenna. And again, I'm going to use my stickies on the back of his head or her head. Turn my butterfly upside down. Peel off the back and stick my two antennae on there. Next thing then, I'm going to get my ribbon, and there'll be a sticker on there too. Put one there, and you'll get stickies in the box as well. So if I have forgotten to put a sticky on, you'll know to use them. So stick that on there like that. So that's my little ribbon and my little body and my antenna done. So you'll also get in the kit, you'll get some gems. We all love gems, don't we? And you can stick them wherever you like. I've put my gems on the little dots here, all on the little dots. But you can put them wherever you like. And that's pretty much it. I don't think I've forgotten anything. It's really easy. And so take your time colouring it in, because that's the fun part. And put lots of colours in, and your butterfly will look amazing. And I would love to see a picture of your butterflies. So if you can get Mummy or Daddy to send me a picture, I would love it. The kits will be ready on Tuesday, all day, from 12 until 3. And if that time doesn't suit your Mummy or Daddy, just get them to give me a text and they can collect it on Tuesday evening as well. Okay? I hope you have fun making your butterflies, and I hope you're not too bored at home not being able to play with your friends. Don't worry, it won't last too long. All right? We're going to still have fun. So take care and stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.